So let me show you how to wrap a tumbler. This is Ieasha of Ieasha Design, and today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap a tumbler. So I have your 20-ounce tumbler, as you see here. Go ahead and have your design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and just place it around the tumbler just like so. Okay, did you see that? Make sure you have wiped your tumbler off with some type of alcohol. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just going to wrap it around just like so. Now make sure that it's tight. You want it to be tight. You want to make sure that the bottom is covered, and you want to make sure that the top is covered, which it is. Now what you do is lay it down. You also can have a tumbler crate, which I have one in my other room, but I didn't bring it in here. And you can make sure you have your sublimation tape. Now what I do, I just take my tape, I tear it while I'm holding my design on my tumbler very tightly. Okay, make sure everything is looking good at the bottom. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my tape and I'm just going to place it right here. Let me show you. I'm going to place it right here on this side. Do you see that? Over here on this side, I'm going to take my finger, press it down, and I'm going to tightly, let me show you, tightly pull it around, just like that. Tightly pull it around. So you get another piece of sublimation heat tape, place it there, just like so, and you tightly pull it around. Now this will help you to have a seamless line on your tumbler. All right, so as you see, I have put the tape here across the tumbler just like that. So now what I'm gonna do, I always take tape and go straight down the seam, just like this, okay? That's the way I do mine. I'm teaching you my method, okay? And I'm just gonna go ahead, take some more tape. And you can use as little tape or as much tape as you need. It just depends on what you need, okay? I'm just gonna press it. Remember, I take my hand and I just twist it just like this. To me, that just get any air bubbles out that you may have. And I just, if you have something, you can take it along the seams here and just press it like this, just like this. All right, so now my tumbler press is ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this into the tumbler press.